actually parties! It actually parties!
That's sick!
Let's go! Hey! We're getting doors, baby! Let's keep it right! Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. Let's do it together.
Still there?
It's still there. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel. My name's Jesse, I'm one of the mechanics down here. And we are at Calder Park. It's our Friday Night Drift Battle Royale weekend. It's going to be sick. We have the AU down here. So if you haven't seen one of the latest videos, we slapped a ghetto turbo on this thing and it loves it. And we're going to see if it'll do a skid tonight. Might blow up, might not, I don't know. I feel like the clutch is going to blow up before the motor does. But yeah, the end goal is to be putting an RB20 in this. Yeah, motor pops, so we'll see what happens. I've put like 2 hours of driving on it and it's actually been mint. We did melt a hole in this, but I did a little bit of heat management just to get us by. And then we had our Kiwi guest driver, Ben Jenkins, and his girlfriend drive it from Ferntree Gully to the accommodation over here in Keilor, which is like an hour drive through the city. Didn't skip a beat, it loves it. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll get out on the track as soon as we can and see if this thing will do a skid.
I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead of every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad.
My name's Jason Farron. I'm gonna go do a skid.
I'm on ever on camera. Ooh, that's 11 4x4.
This is wrong.
If you want to see the AU do a skid, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Let's do it. Yeah, the boys!
Okay, Dyer.
Yeah, let's see what the AU can do! It's slippery! It's slippery! It's chaos out here!
It's chaos! What's going on?
Oh dude, it actually parties! It actually parties!
That's sick!
Let's go! Just an update, I have blown the gearbox in my S14, so I might have to do the competition tomorrow in this.
Definitely.
80 PSI in the rears on a 235 that's already been scrubbed. Goes a lot harder than I thought it would. This could be alright. Just want a bit of space, eh? I don't really want people all up in my grill. Oh! Mass axle trim. I don't know if I should go third or second on the entry. Might almost be a third gear up. Just full send. Let's do it, boys! Oh, it cut on me. It's alright, we got this. If I go second here,
Yeah, mate. What's up, bloody now?
It's a little bit spittery and sputtery. Makes it a little bit difficult, but yeah, you just gotta keep the speed up. I think we might have to go third gear on that entry.
Is he gonna go third? We started.
Oh, sketchy! Oh, I couldn't find second. Shut gearbox. It's fine if you can keep it on throttle. Trying to modulate it and it's just, yeah.
It's just haste law.
It's not the happiest.
That's tips. Oh, they're cold. Does that work?
Yeah. fine. It's fine, we got this. That was alright. Yeah, that was good. A bit off the second outer clip, but it's doing what it used to do when it gets hot.
Yeah, okay.
It needs to cool down. Yeah, mate, gravy. It's just a bit warm. It always misfires when it gets warm. It actually works.
You want to slap the wall now, you?
Slap the wall.
You want to do it?
Oh, I don't want the boss to get angry with me. We'll try to get close. Alright, let's go. Ersky. Let's go, girl. Oh, it's misfiring. It's alright, like sometimes it misfires, sometimes it doesn't. That's not a bad entry, you can't. It's really hard to do like a single flick feint because it doesn't really break traction when you just turn. Oh, I don't know how many runs the clutch has left in it. It's engaging very late. Shivy, right? Who needs a clutch? Is it going good? Yeah. It pops and farts and hiccups, but doesn't like double the power though. Doesn't mean skid. You're trying to kill it, see what happens. I bet you won't be able to. You know what he's doing, mate? Let's get on Farron's door, Drew. Oh, give his helmet back, eh?
AU's definitely faster.
Oh, shit! I missed second! Stupid shifter, man, it's horrible. Some shack short shifter. Hey, rookie. We're off the track! Can't handle the pressure!
What doing? Crack under pressure.
It keeps breaking up. It's struggling.
Excuse. What was that entry? Slow as Falcon.
It's everything it's got!
There gears, huh?
You can try it again.
That's don't do mass axle trim. It's not good.
That is horrible!
Yeah.
That needs to be fixed.
Hey, respect the work car.
It's just breaking up on me. It just dawned us, didn't it?
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like it's his back wheel, to be honest.
Too hot again. It's just.
They have slowly creeped up.
Yeah, it's just cracking the shit.
I feel like it was his back.
We're getting doors, baby!
It's just pretty warm again. But it sounds weird.
It does want to rev.
It sounds real weird.
Potentially because the exhaust side's so hot, this is adding that little bit of restriction. Or the one-way valve's letting the map sensor see boost again.
Couple more fixtures.
Nah, no more clicks. She doesn't like the clicky click. It won't even free rev anymore.
Oh no.
It's spitting and sputtering. Won't let me go full throttle. Weird as.
No full throttle.
That's full throttle. But if you roll into it, it's fine. It's like it's getting too much boost or something. We'll take her in, I think.
Yeah.
Let it cool
I mean,
down.
how many laps is that?
It's a bit dangerous when people are following you and shit.
Yeah.
Well, she did pretty good. It's not even let me rev it up. It's been so unhappy.
It's a crowd pleaser though, everyone loves
Yeah,
it.
everyone loves it.
Best car on track, eh?
What a piece of shit.
Wasn't it dead yet? What's going on?
Something, there's water or something coming in.
Oh yeah, no.
Horsepower.
Leaks everything. So my car's dead. The 32's dead. Jassie's car's gearbox is gone. But the AU's going strong. She bloody gone through a whole tank of fuel. That's how strong she's going. Only reason we had to park her up is we run out. Blazed a whole set of tyres. We can't kill it. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna kill it? I feel bad now.
Yeah, it's kind of like.
It's the future of Reet. Yeah. The diff's moved over a bit. Come have a look here. That side, nice and central. Oh, it's sort of going back, but it's a little bit forward. It was like, I reckon I was like a finger away from this side before. From Jesse bloody getting on the brake, axle tramping the dog. It's so smooth, this thing. It's like, and so quiet. You can like have a full conversation. Steers like a dream. What a beast. Maybe we'll put a good ECU in this. The intake's going forever. It may use as much oil as it does fuel, but it's perfect. It's even got a tow bar. Load up a caravan, go for a draft in between, and then keep going with the fan.
Bring your van to the track, park her up.
Perfect.
It's actually a bit ridiculous.
Yeah. It's a weapon. Now what?
We'll put an RB in it and we'll have nothing but issues.
Guaranteed. Bloody RB. They're shot. Oh, on that note, it's a solid night. Jassie's not here to outro his favourite car, so I'm gonna do it for him. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like. If you want to see more AU, make sure you subscribe. Bang a comment down below. What are we gonna do next? Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.